The first major item that I'll showcase is the addition of a scheduling interface for Statseeker's discovery process. A scheduling option has been added to network discovery, rewalk, and ping-only discovery. The top-level scheduling option in network discovery and rewalk allows you to schedule the default process, but you can also drop into customize, configure the process as needed, and then schedule a customized discovery. View schedules provides the interface to manage the discovery schedules configured on the server. Just a quick note that due to this change, the cron tab option has been removed from the admin tool. But if you have customized a daily rewalk or added additional discovery processes via the cron, then these will all be migrated over to the new system on upgrade. The next major item is the addition of a new Managed Devices page. We have Managed Devices, Interfaces, and SNMP entities. This page replaces functionality previously found in a few locations. Firstly, Retire and Delete Devices has been removed from the administration tool. Once you've selected some devices, you can then retire or delete them from within Managed Devices. You also got the option to edit these devices. This allows you to modify polling states and configuration data. Now, you can still manage these changes from auto grouping, but the ability to update configuration data or toggle polling from within the device details report has been removed. Now, one of these options is editing the SNMP credentials assigned to the device. Now, previously, this option was found in the SNMP credentials page, and that option's been removed from SNMP credentials and is now managed here in Managed Devices or through the discovery process itself. In Manage Interfaces, you've got the ability to update the polling state and configuration data for your interfaces. And just like devices, you can still manage these types of changes via auto grouping. But again, the ability to update configuration data or toggle polling from within the interface details report has been removed. And for SNMP entities, you've got the ability to manage the polling of discrete SNMP entities. Now, there's been a whole range of minor changes, and you'll want to refer to the release notes for the full scope, but we'll highlight a few. We've got a number of security improvements, including an OS update to FreeBSD 14.2 Release P3, additional obfuscation of SNMP credentials, and the ability to tailor the content of a diagnostic report. So you can restrict the content of that report before you send it through to Statseeker support. In addition, the report output is automatically encrypted for sending through to support. On the topic of the diagnostic, Statseeker now stores the output of your diagnostic reports. Your diagnostic history is available via the log viewer in the administration tool. On to backups, we've added basic username and password authentication for SFTP backups. And we've deprecated the SSH backup method. This will be removed in a future version. So we recommend updating any SSH backup configurations to SFTP with SSH authentication. Over in dashboards, the Statseeker default dashboards have been expanded to include a range of ACI-specific dashboards, which become available once you license the ACI monitoring module. And as always, we've rolled a lot of custom data type packages into the core Statseeker release. There's 50 new data types available for reports, dashboards, alerting, and via the API. I'll just jump into the release notes, and under reporting, we can see a full list here. And lastly, the API. There's been extensive updates, including the addition of the new endpoints for those 50 new data types and minor updates to another 20 or so endpoints. If you are an API user, then review the API section in the release notes to see how these changes might impact you. And that's a quick run through what's new in Statseeker version 25.2.